Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and we're going to draw for the first phase recharge event of Naruto Shippuden. All I can say is this one of the best collabs Munton has done for so far. Everybody knows Naruto. So I have recharged 250 and spent 250. I have claimed 16 tokens plus the additional 13 that I claimed eventually. So I have 29 tokens. So in order to do 310 times, I will exchange for this. Now we have 30 tokens, 30 voucher flames. So let's see what we will get. Hope we can get a Naruto collab skin or a recall, because in newbies it was not good. Our draws are so bad. So let's go. And the first 10, just a Sasuke emote. Okay. So I'm not sure what I want to. If I can get one Naruto skin from these draws, it will be so awesome. And oh, elimination effect, nice. Not bad. I don't know what I got on the first. Oh, so oh, we got another voucher flame. So what did we get all? So all I got was a Naruto emote for the 10 draws. That was so unlucky. I didn't even get anything good on my 10th draw. Wait, did the draws say that complete your first 10 draws in total to randomly get a guaranteed MLB na collab reward? Skin, battle effect, killing. Oh, I just got an emote. So the 10th draw was just an emote. Wow, poor event, man. Okay, we can still draw 10 more, guys. I'm not expecting anything from this draws. But let's go. And we got more Sasuke emotes. Nice. I really love these drop rates. Bad drop rates, guys. Bad drop rates all around. I really want to participate in this event, but looks like the drop rates are so bad. See? So all I got are 426 tokens. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.